Hey, Slick from Tech Talk Radio showing the iKEY Audio HDR7 portable field recorder. Great little unit. Comes with a windscreen right on top, which slides right off just like that. Has two microphones at the top in the XY configuration. They're stereo, as well as you have the headphone output, and it also supplies a line output. And over here is the line input, so you can plug in line out level audio. Here on the side, there's a port for the microphones. It takes a mono as well as stereo microphones. Volume control, which you can use to monitor once you have headphones plugged in and you're in recording mode. You can turn up and down the volume into your headphones, as well as for playback. You can use these controls to control the volume going in to the headphones. There is no external speaker on this particular unit. You have the mic gain switch here, mini USB port, so you can connect the device to a computer and transfer files back and forth. And here's a standard USB, standard A USB port. This is for flash drives, as well as external USB hard drives that are powered from the USB port, so you can drag files back and forth between the unit. Now, here at the bottom, you'll see there's an SD card slide. You can use SD and SDHC cards up to 32 gigabytes in size. The thing is, if you're going to use an external USB drive here on this port, then you won't have access to the data that's on the SD card. Once you disconnect, then you get back access to the SD card. There is no internal memory on the unit, so you must either use an SD card or a USB flash drive. There is a little port here for the tripod, which it also comes with, little mini tripod, which is very nice. You can sit it right on the table if you want to do like conference recordings or things like that. On the other side of the HDR7, on this side of the unit, you have your mic input switch. So if the input's too much, you can turn it down, or you can have more by moving it to the plus sign. Here is the power switch for the unit that powers it on, and the port for the external AC/DC adapter power supply. It does take 4 AA batteries that can go in there. It comes supplied with 4 alkaline batteries, but you can also use rechargeables. On the front, you have a loop button, which is used in conjunction with the enter button. So if you're playing back some audio and you want to get it to loop and play over and over and over, you press those 2 buttons and it'll throw it into loop mode. Stop button, play and pause, and the record button. There's your menu button, which gets you into the various features of the unit, and the enter button, which works just like, you know, your standard enter key on a keyboard. Scroll wheel, really smooth, nice. It's got a rubber tactile feel to it, really good. I'll show you the unit as we power it on. And you can scroll through, just like if you were using the Windows Explorer browser or browsing files on a hard drive. You can browse through the files, all types of files, on the SD card, as well as a connected USB flash drive if you choose. You can't really do anything with any files other than audio files. It supports MP3, WAV, AAC, and AIFF files. In regards to playback and recording, you can adjust the file types. Like if you were using to record to MP3, you can record 64 kilobits up to 320 kilobits, and the AAC and AIF files you can also change. You can also change the sampling rate within the unit. I will have to admit this. When it comes to the condenser microphones that are on the unit, they work fine, but I didn't really get any great stereo separation when I tried some test recordings and moved it around. If you really want to get great stereo separation, I do recommend you use an external microphone and plug it into the microphone port here. Really good stereo microphone if you're trying to get stereo separation. But other than that, great pickup on it. I mean, if you just want to use it as a field recorder, audio quality is great. Have no complaints whatsoever. And inside the unit also, you can go to their website to get more information about it. You have tuners available inside the unit for like guitars. Chromatic tuner. You plug your guitar into the port right here, the input port, and access the chromatic tuner function, and you can tune a guitar. Very, very nice. So the iKEY Audio HDR7 comes with a tripod, comes with external AC DC adapter, power supply, and I'm going to use it constantly on a regular basis. This is great. So watch what you say around me.